learning. Making pizza at home is fun, fast, and delicious. We need some flour, some water, and some salt. What's this? It's a bit stinky. Kiki, its important ingredient is. I know, it makes the pizza nice and fluffy. Yes, now we need to mix everything together. Dough is ready. Now we must wait for 20 minutes. You can see what Rosanna and Emma doing. I can't wait for that pizza. I hope they don't put pineapple. Me too. Pizza is salt, not sweet. But we need something sweet for dessert. That's right. And today we are making tasty cookies. Wait a minute. The girls need the oven for the pizza. Don't worry, these are not baking cookies. First is some butter and peanut butter. Mix and add some plasma. Put in the fridge for 30 minutes. Let's see what are Theodora and Sarah making. Pizza, cookies, that sounds very tasty, but what about something healthy? Great idea! Let's make a healthy and tasty salad. We need some carrots, some lettuce, and some tomatoes. Now we need a big bowl. Is this one okay? Theodora, that bowl is huge. We are not putting you in the salad. I think this one is better. Great. Help me put all the vegetables in. And some carrots. Let's mix everything together. It's very colorful, but I don't think it's very tasty. We need a great salad dressing. A salad dress? Dressing. It's the sauce for the salad. All right. We have some mayo, some lemon, some salt, and pepper. Some pepper. Mix everything together. It's beautiful. Good job. Wow, yummy. First, put tomato sauce on the pizza. Now put some ham and cheese on the pizza. Do you like olives, Christine?
I do, but Theodora doesn't.
Okay, not olives in pizza. You're welcome, Theodora.
Can we put some pineapple on that?
No, Christina, it's not Hawaii pizza. It's Italian pizza.
Bake pizza for 10 minutes. Now we can see our cookies finished.
We are ready to make the cookie. Your little brother or sister can help. My sister is baby. I think she can help. It's very easy. Look, make a ball like this. It's time to decorate. First is some chocolate, and then you can put sprinkles. Everything is almost finished. We just need a tasty drink. Let's make a fruit cocktail. Great idea. The most important thing is the serving. Put your favorite fruit in the glasses. We have some oranges and some cherries. Now we need a big jug of water. Then add some lemon juice and some apple juice. Pour it into a glass. After finish everything with cute little umbrellas. Cheers! We hope you like these recipes. Cooking is fun and easy.
Do it with your friends or help mom or dad in the kitchen.
Of course, clean up. We will be back with more tasty recipes. And remember, no pineapples on the pizza. Ha!